Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to another exciting travel video. One of the things I love about this beach is the peaceful atmosphere. It's never too crowded, so you can easily find a spot to lay out your towel and unwind. Plus, there's a great selection of bars and restaurants where you can enjoy a refreshing drink or a delicious meal. If you're looking for a bit of adventure, there are also plenty of walking trails in the area. You can take a scenic hike up to the nearby hilltop village of Es, where you'll be rewarded with stunning panoramic views of the French Riviera. As you can tell, La Plage des is a perfect spot for a beach vacation. And with so much to see and do, it's definitely worth a visit. So, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!